many people are coming to the party?
I don't know, I sent out like 10 invites.
We have enough food for 3.
The doc's coming over soon. Maybe he can help. That's him now.
Marty! It's my latest invention, Marty. I call it the magical microwave. Bigger. Whether you're really hungry or have a lot of people, you always have enough.
Doc, that's exactly what we need. How about pizza?
Most definitely. In fact, that is the first food I tested. You just place the food in the microwave like so, and it only takes 8 seconds. I think I said 5, and I just really want to do something. 1-800 Future for your free information on the magical microwave.